Okay, so let's start. When Michael started these data talks, he was saying that data science with visual programming is still a complex science. So I'm going to talk about courses where you can learn more about data science and about KNIME, of course, videos, and I'm going to talk about awards, so stay until the end. About the new self-paced courses. We have updated and expanded all our e-learning courses, but that's actually not the news because we have done this last year. The news for this year is that we have moved our courses onto a new e-learning platform. The new e-learning platform includes enrollment, learning paths, educational videos, exercises with automatic correction, knowledge test, and then a full point system. So we have designed this new platform to make your experience much more comfortable for learning and to make you more aware of the level of learning that you have achieved. The self-paced courses remain free, as they were before, and so far we have migrated the courses for the basic level L1, the advanced level L2, and the production level L3. We are going to migrate more courses in the next few weeks, maybe in the next month, and for sure we are going at some point to migrate the certification exams as well. So keep an eye on the page for the self-paced courses because there are more courses to come. So how do I attend a self-paced course? First of all, I go onto the page for the self-paced courses. Here is the page. I explore the courses that are available at the moment. I decide which course I want to attend, and then once I've selected the course, I click Login and Enroll. To log in, I have to sign in with a KNIME account. It's the same account as the KNIME forum, the same account as the KNIME hub. So if you already have it, you don't need to do anything special. And then I start the course that I have selected. And so far, it's easy. Now, the complicated part is that you have to study. You need to watch the videos. You need to do the exercises. You need to take the test at the end of each unit. You need to take the final exam at the end of each course. So that's one of the final exams. There are a number of different questions that you have to cover one by one. If you finish the course, then at the end, you are presented with a summary of the points that you have achieved during the learning. And if you were particularly good, you are going to get some awards as well. So, we have already started in February with this new platform. We have had some enrollments already, and those are the feedbacks that some of you left. In general, the feedbacks are very positive. Usually there is a majority of 5 stars out of 5. So I think the credit goes to the KNIME instructors that built the excellent material for the course. Okay, so now let's move on to the new video series that we have on YouTube, the Data Science Pronto. This is the link for the new video series. The Data Science Pronto are very short video, 2 minutes, 2 minutes and a half maximum. And they are designed to contain one answer for one specific question in the field of data science. So we have started with the question that pops up most often during our courses. What is overfitting? Then, of course, when you explain overfitting, you need to explain why regularization helps against overfitting. Then if you talk about regularization, you need to explain why it's connected to the LSTM units. And then since there are no more connections, at some point we had to explain what is the difference between the partitioning for machine learning and what is the partitioning meant in Spark and Hive. And the latest Data Science Pronto video is about deployment. It was published this week and it's fresh from YouTube. If you have a question that you think can be answered in short time, then please send us an email at education@knime.com and we will try to make a Data Science Pronto short video. Okay, so now it's award time. So let's see. First, I would like to mention the latest contributors of the month. We have Keith McCormick, Miguel Infad, Ivan Bristow, Armin Rudd, and Philip Kowalski. Thank you, contributor. Congratulations for being the contributor of the month. After the contributors of the month, I would like to mention the top 10 blog posts for the year 2020 about KNIME. Of course, to celebrate the top 10 blog posts, we had to write a blog post about it, right? So the blog post of today on the KNIME blog describes the top 10 blog posts, at least based on what we have seen on the internet in 2020. Here you can see an overview of this blog post, plus you can see the top 3 blog posts. One is Embedding and Clustering Combining KNIME and Python by Israel Fernandez Pina. One is the Tweet Collider, a KNIME workflow for creating text-rich visualizations of Twitter data by Angus Beich. And the first one is COVID-19 projections with KNIME, Jupyter, and Tableau, of which we have seen the presentation before by Dennis Ganzaroli. Congratulations, blog authors. And now we leave the muse of writing, and we are going to move to the 10th muse of modern video making on YouTube. So we made a blog post to celebrate the top 10 blog posts. So we made a video to celebrate the top 3 videos about KNIME for 2020 on YouTube. I'm going to show you a little snippet of this video, but we have produced a full video celebration, a full celebration video, where we give the award and the winners give an acceptance speech. So to watch the full ceremony video, please follow this link, search on YouTube, and then watch the 5 minutes video. So we go now for the snippet video, and after that, I'll pass figuratively the microphone to Paul in New York. Welcome to the first ever installment of KNIME Video Stars.
We would like to award Nicky D for his series of videos on the Nicky D YouTube channel, onboarding new users to KNIME Analytics platform.
The award for the best short video goes to John at KNIME Tutorials.
We would like to award Laurent Thomas for his video on a use case with interactive KNIME visualizations.
Wonderful. Thanks so much, Rosaria. I have to say the community at KNIME is one of the best parts of KNIME, and I'm very happy to talk a bit about partners who are also part of the KNIME community. So KNIME Partners provide a lot of different services that can help your business, things like data science, consulting, deployment or governance consulting. They have domain-specific or use case-specific expertise. They can also add capacity or acceleration to the work that you're doing, local language, local capability, training, and many other values. They also provide a lot of value to the broader KNIME community, things like open source contribution, extending the KNIME platform, and also building community locally. We encourage you to check out the partners that we have, and we're happy to have this partner finder that you can find on our partner site, which allows you to find these organizations by region, by industry, by company size, and also see the tiers that they've achieved within our ecosystem, which gives you some indication of the capability and the work they've done so far. Something that we're announcing that's new this year, and you'll see start to roll out throughout the rest of the year, is this concept of KNIME Ready, and that will be flagged within the individual partner pages here. KNIME Ready really helps you as an organization evaluating partners to understand the certified capability of these partners and also what their practical experience is on the platform. Of course, you can both look at this partner finder as well as email partners@knime.com for a customized recommendation. And we encourage you to dig into the partner profiles as well to learn more and also find the case studies that these partners have written so you can see some of the practical work that they've done around the KNIME platform. One of the other things that you're able to see on our site, if you click on the Solutions tab, are these different stories, success stories and use cases that are contributed by partners. And these are in all different verticals and covering all different problems that customers have solved using KNIME. And there's a lot of interesting content there that I encourage you to check out. And now onto one of my favorite parts of this session, which is the KNIME Partner Awards. So we have 2 awards that recognize the top partners in our ecosystem. And these are the Partner Innovation Award and the Partner of the Year Award. So the Partner Innovation Award really covers the contributions in terms of innovation notes, case studies, and general community contribution, whereas the Partner of the Year Award takes into account those contributions as well as business growth and capability, and really holistically the partner's contribution in the KNIME community. And we're happy to announce that Taltegos has won the Partner Innovation of the Year. And on the Partner of the Year award, we have Infocom. Infocom has been a long-time KNIME partner based in Japan, and we're very excited that they have won the award this year. And over to the studio for a short video from Infocom themselves.
I'm Azuro Takahashi from Inhogan. I'm in charge of sales of KNIME products in my company. Inhogan provides IT services as B2B solution and B2C online services. Our company is located in Tokyo and employs 1,000. Our team offers KNIME server products for various markets in Japan with more than 10 years of experience. When we first start handling KNIME product, we propose and introduce a KNIME product mainly to pharmaceutical company. But recently, the number of companies that are interested in the data utilization and analysis is increasing in Japan. And actually, the number of proposals for various industries is also increasing. We think the strength of KNIME is that you can easily deploy the workflows created using over 4,000 functions nodes. This allows you to quickly operate the analysis work that your customer want to achieve. Recently in Japan, the need for further automation of analysis is increasing. To respond to this, Inhogan is currently working on building analysis automation applications that utilize KNIME. We will aim to further expand the KNIME business by developing these new applications.